It happens often in groups and amongst friends that there is an incident where one friend harms another or does great wrong to another. And then it never is addressed amongst the friends or within the group, and it can go on for years. This long-lasting resentment between friends, and I just wonder, does it make sense that we have some kind of system built into our organization amongst the friends where a forum or a means that friends can bring out issues, because it's often never discussed, and these resentments last, and it creates a barrier between friends' ability to overcome and connect today based on what happened yesterday.
I think that you should turn to Bnei Baruch, to the people, to the management, and they'll tell you who takes care of these things in our group and how it's organized here. And usually we do take care of this. I know it's being taken care of. It's not what I do, but there is, and these relationships are
out into the open. Is it healthy? Is it good for us to have an impartial courtroom of friends and two friends bring it out into the open and just to squash it, just to get it out and finish it and move on?
No, Todd, no. No, Todd, no. I think that you should first scrutinize, usually, who's taking care of it, how they take care of it. They have the experience. They'll tell you to do it this way or that way, how they do it here. Maybe we can organize such a group for our entire Kli that is now being built, rebuilt, and this way we can advance. I can't say. We really need to try to scrutinize these things. Go ahead, turn to them, or someone from our friends who has these scrutinies. Maybe it's part of Gilad Shetmon. I don't know who's taking care of these things. So they should connect to him. Or maybe they should explain it to the whole world, how this is done, who they should address, etc.